I think this is interesting. I don't really know that this helped me that much.
Yeah.
Like, any better than I could have. I don't have any more insight than I would have had if I just looked at a map.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Sneak Peek. We are the UX Movie team. If you tuned into our Reel Debut where we were discussing ManyMap, you learned a little bit about their landing page and our thoughts and recommendations on how they're telling their story. But now we're actually going to go ahead and dive into their onboarding process. Let's take a look. So they have the big yellow button here from their page, but I will also note that from Product Hunt, it actually did take you directly into ManyMap. So
Did it require you to sign up?
No, this is just exactly where it took me.
Does the big yellow button also take us here?
That's what I'm wondering. So let's actually try it from their main site. Create your free route. Yep, it sure does.
So first thing, this just landed me on a blank page. We're obviously in Charlotte, but it gave me no guidance whatsoever as to what I should be doing here and if there's anything special and interesting. Like I saw some things on the marketing site that were interesting. I have no idea how to access them here.
Well, let's try to add in something. What if we wanted to go from, I can scroll in.
Let's take a lazy ride down the Catawba to the pump house from wherever the launch point is.
Let's look for the pump house. Just search pump house. This is like Anthony's dream. It might be 2 words because there it is.
Pump house restaurant?
Yep. Yeah, in Rock Hill.
Okay.
All right. Now, so people get on, they get on tubes and flotation devices, and there's a launch point somewhere.
There's a river route
up the river.
Okay, let's launch.
You want the river route?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
We're going to want to launch further up the river somewhere. And maybe it's just that launch point here in this park over here, maybe?
Right here?
Yeah.
Like, let's get close to that park and see if that's where you'd want. It's probably where the dam's at.
That is the dam. Right.
So there's 2 of them.
And it keeps going.
It goes through the park. I didn't know that.
So, and by the way, in terms of signing up, it says your changes are saved only on this device right now. Log in if we want to sign up.
What's number 3 on there or whatever? Do you see it in the blue? Like next to the water up there? What is that?
Maybe this is a point of interest from other people who have already done it. Man-made well water without pump.
The problem here is we have not been taught how to use the tool at all.
Yeah.
So I think that's the main issue is that I don't know. Would you guys we've spent time now fiddling. Would you have spent this much time fiddling otherwise? I would have looked at that blank map and said, bye.
Well, and I will also say right now, we have the choice to sign up or log in. So the question is, as we end today's sneak peek, do you want to sign up?
No, I don't have any work that I need to save because
I could have done this on Google Maps.
Okay. My guess is that if maybe we were really part of a community that we were trying to share it on, it might be a little bit easier. I do see the benefit of having multiple people if you're planning something longer, but maybe that's just not where we're at.
Earlier, you mentioned planning with other people. This has not urged me to do that.
Yeah,
we only know that from the marketing site.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the sneak peek. This is the sister episode to the Reel Debut where we talk about ManyMap. Tune in there to learn a little bit about the story that they tell on their landing page. We'll be back at you soon with more Reel Debuts and sneak peeks in the future. Thanks, everybody.